Define your ride with the Sentinel helmet. Built with the streets in mind, Fly set out to provide a helmet that not only performs well in its class, but provides a level of features and comfort rivaled by top-tier helmets. In motion, air is forced through multiple air intake vents and passed through aligned rear exhaust vents. With our quick-dry liner, all designed to keep you comfy and cool. The face shield and drop-down sunshade is optically correct for your vision and riding experience. Both coated for UVAB to protect your vision. Available in a variety of colors and inspired graphics to fit your own style. The Sentinel from Fly Racing.